Hey there, this is Transitops, a fleet operation platform we built to replace the spreadsheet and WhatsApp threads most transport companies still run on. It's a full stack application created on React, a MongoDB backend, and Express. We have invoked a JWT based auth and role based access control across the four roles mentioned in the product description. So the first one is the fleet manager, the dispatcher, safety officer, and the financial analyst. Every business rules is enforced on the server, not just written in the UI. So bad, so bad data literally we can't get saved. I'm going to log in as the fleet manager and show you how everything works. So I've chosen fleet manager so that this role touches almost every part of the system. So here is the dashboard. It gives a live snapshot of the fleet, how many vehicles are available, how many are out on trips, how many are in the shop for maintenance. And let's start with the vehicles. This is the full fleet inventory. Every vehicle has a status available on a trip or in shop. As fleet manager, I can add a new vehicle, any details like capacity or remove one entirely. Capacity matters here because when a trip gets created later, the backend actually validates that the assigned vehicle can handle the load. You can't overload a truck even if you through the API directly. Next is the drivers. So same idea. So I can also add a new driver, register new driver in, add their category of whichever truck they drive, their expiry, the license expiry date, the safety number of how much successful through drives they have taken, trips they have taken. So all this can be recorded here and managed by the fleet manager who just records everything and monitors the whole transport logs. So next is the maintenance part. So maintenance part is something like the manager. This manages the entire vehicle control. So we know that after certain time you have to service our truck and to do some brake service, oil change, anything. We can just create a maintenance record for the vehicle number, the type of problem, and we can like a comment or description and how much cost it has taken to service that vehicle. So next is the trips. So trips is like which the driver, which vehicle has taken the trip of a certain container. So you can see the the completed trip or else the drafted ones which should be taken by the driver. So all these can be invoked in the driver's face, where you can just reach the driver and you can just trip him ahead and monitor everything in one place. So next is the fuel and expense. So this is moreover the financial analyst part, where he can view all the fuel, the maintenance cost, everything, and log it over here. So you can just calculate all the financial amount that it took over a month over a year, and can visually see it on the dashboard. So next is the report. So here report suggests that the fuel efficiency, the operator cost per vehicle, and everything just logged over here with respect to the vehicle. So all over here with this everything is in place such that the fleet manager can just manage the whole vehicle process in one place. So it put this reports pulls together distance travel, operating costs, fuel efficiency, ROE per vehicle, and I can also export this out to a CSV format, so that Transitops is a single system and a real role based product, where the fleet manager, the driver, and each of them have a visual representation of their trips to be taken. They are representative of vehicle and all. So this is a live on a server, so data you can see is always trustworthy and can be managed and viewed. So to take different insights, and also a easy way to append a driver to take a trip, to maintain a vehicle record, calculate the fuel expense, and also report. Also, you can extract this data to your own CSV to just share it across people. Thank you.